Yeah, I really wish we had something to drink, maybe like an Italian soda. All right, that's better. Yum.
My whipped cream. I got sprinkles on my whipped cream.
No way.
Yeah. Whipping sprinkles.
That could be the name of your band.
Whipping
Sprinkles. I think our ciders are about half done, 60% done. I think 60%. The ciders aren't there today because it was snowing over here and they got stuck and had to turn around. But the snow's basically gone now. But we're gonna check that out and they're gonna be finishing this week. And we haven't got too much footage of them working. I got a little the first few days because I was home from work. But now I'm back at work, so I haven't been able to be out here. But Anna's gonna come out and film during one of their last days to that snowplow. We have plumbing inspection tomorrow, so I'm gonna make sure everything looks good there. We're gonna make sure all the drain pipes are on test, meaning they're all full of water and holding pressure, even the vents, and so everything will be full of water. Should be. When we bang on it, it should be really hard. Hank, you wanna check that when we go? You can bang on the pipes and we'll see. All right.
Dad,
So what's happening on the roof right now? Watch out. See all that water coming off?
there's snow falling. We're gonna get attacked.
Careful of all the drippage. This is gonna start falling off too.
There is so much water in each of these holes.
Oh, I know. Keeps coming, Hank. Out here. Keeps chunking off.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that was a big one.
Yeah. You can just hear it.
It's like
Good.
ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Hey, look, we got a hose bib.
Nice.
Oh, how is
Actually,
that hooked up? He hooked it up. I didn't know that.
Look.
Dude, Hank.
Look.
Whoa. Crazy. Look at that. This is looking pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Nice. If only we had a skateboard.
Whoa. Hey, do you?
You want to go under there?
Yeah.
In the hole. Let's go over here. There's a better way.
Okay. Yeah, this.
You want to go down there?
Yeah. Hey
All right.
buddy.
Here's our plumbing here. Come here, Hank. I'll show you. They got this little test ball in here,
What's a test
and
ball?
it's in there, and it's a balloon that's filled up, so it's keeping all this water. Knock on that. It's heavy. So
It hurts.
it's all on test. All of our drains in our crawl space here. And all drains, boom. The shop comes in here. That's from the shop. And this goes right out to our septic system over there. So yeah, the plumbers are done. And they are on test.
Daddy?
Yes. You want to go back up?
Yeah.
Okay, so what else should we look at? Let's look at the plumbing. More plumbing. Sound good? Hooey! The pit of death. Whoa!
That's easy.
Well, it's not easy for everyone.
Really?
No, I couldn't
you
do
do
that. Ew!
What?
Okay, so plumber's finished up. This will be a little kitchenette, little sink here in the shop. And then this is our bathroom, toilet, vanity, And our shower pan, shower controls. So they got that all done. This is full of water. So that's good. But these have lost tests somewhere. So we need to figure out where. Huh. What are we doing?
Leaving.
We're eating lunch.
Yeah.
Hot Pocket. Got a little Philly cheese, jalapeno Hot Pocket. Corn dogs. Shut that. We got a little adapter right here. We're going to fill all of our plumbing waste and vents with water because they lost test over the weekend, but we should be good because we have an inspection tomorrow morning, so it should hold test for inspection. We should be good. So we're gonna fill those up and then we're gonna leave. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on here. Okay, we'll open that valve. Now we'll go turn the water on. We should see it coming out these top roof things, so maybe come over here.
What are we doing now?
It's gonna fill up all those lines and it's gonna start coming out the roof.
Like that one, that hole?
See those pipes sticking out?
Yeah.
Keep an eye on them. I'm gonna look over here. Yeah, it might take a while. The water's running. It's leaking a little here, but not too bad. So it's filling all these up. It's gonna take a little bit, so we'll just look around and see if we got any leaks. It's a big leak. Where's that leak coming from? Oh, that's not good.
Where is it? Bro, that's bad.
Shit. Okay, so it's coming out that roof vent. It's spilling off there. So now we can turn it off, Hank. Okay, so we shut that off. Okay, so now these are rock solid. So they're full of water now, so that's what you want. Okay, so we got another leak though. And this is not good, so we'll see what this really means. Because that's quite a bit of water. And that has to do with the waterproof deck. And 4 to 6 foot range. And that's true for that as well. We're almost done and then we'll leave, Hank. Okay. 4, 6. Let's try. We will as soon as we're leaving. I just have to pull this off.
And then we can close.
It's leaking back here.
What are you doing? Oh, I see water.
Where?
Look, see?
Yeah.
See?
It's wet back there. Yep. You can see. Droplets of water right there behind. Oh yeah, and here we go. Dude, I knew it.
Where?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. See?
I know.
It's behind everything.
Oh yeah. Look at all.
Hold on.
Look at all of
Hold on.
that.
Let me pull this back. See? That's what's leaking into the basement. Or
Where is it?
into your room. See?
Oh yeah.
It's going all the way down the wall.
Look at that.
Behind the flashing. Darn.
Well,
Well, at least we know what it is.
yeah. I was gonna say at least we found it. Yeah, now I know where it is.
And it's coming from this dead valley right here.
Can I see? Bum, 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 bum.
Okay, so we're about to head out. We found a leak in the roof there. There's a roof leak going down the back of that, fascia, down the wall, and it's pooling on the floor in here. So we're gonna have the siders hold off on this wall, but they can finish the rest of the walls, so they can keep going. But I'm gonna have to have my roofer come out and we'll figure out a way to, holy shit, slippery, figure out a way to solve that issue. But siding's looking good, as you can tell. 12-inch on center, batten board. They just got the top to do. It's looking pretty darn good. So we'll get this roof thing fixed, and then we will have them side that last wall. And then after that, we're gonna spray the house with paint. Then we're gonna spray our soffit boards on the ground with clear varnish, and then we'll hang those after the body's painted. So it'll be an easier deal. We won't have to tape off as much and mask a bunch of stuff. We'll try that out. But for now, things are looking good. Got a couple issues, but we'll fix them. All right, see you later.